Welcome back. See the next MCQ. The displacement of a particle is given by the equation y is equal to a plus bt plus ct square minus dt for the initial velocity and acceleration respectively. The equation of displacement is given y is equal to a plus bt plus ct square minus dt for a, b, c, d are the constants. We have to determine the initial velocity and acceleration of the particle. Say option A, b comma minus 4d minus b comma 2c, b comma 2c and 2c comma minus 4d. These are the options, means initial velocity and acceleration respectively. Now see how to solve this question. We have the equation of displacement y is equal to a plus bt plus ct square minus dt 4. This is the displacement. We have to determine the initial velocity. Initial velocity means velocity at start. Velocity at start means velocity of the particle at time t is equal to 0. Therefore, find out the first velocity. What is the velocity? Velocity is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. We can write v is equal to dy by dt. Putting the value of y from this equation, we get v is equal to d by dt. Instead of y, we can write a plus bt plus ct square minus 4 dt 4 dt raised to 4. Means derivative of this displacement with respect to time. We know that a is constant and its derivative is 0. Derivative of bt, b is constant and its derivative is b. And what is the derivative of ct square? C as it is. And what is the derivative of t square? 2 into t raised to 1 means 2t. 2ct minus d as it is. And derivative of t to the power 4 is 4 into dt square. Here there is 4. 4 minus 4. This is the minus 4 dt cube. Or we can write this relation. V is equal to b plus 2ct minus 4 dt cube. Say equation number 1. But we have to determine the initial velocity. Initial velocity means what? The velocity of the particle at t is equal to 0. How to get the initial velocity? By putting the value of t is equal to 0 in this equation, we get the initial velocity. Therefore, initial velocity is equal to b plus 2c into the value of t is 0 minus 4d into the value of t is again 0. 0 cube means again 0. Therefore, these two terms become 0. Therefore, v initial is equal to b. This is the initial velocity. Now, we have to determine the acceleration. What is the acceleration? Acceleration, it is the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. And here, what is the equation of velocity? V is equal to b plus 2ct minus 4 dt cube. This is the expression for velocity in this case. Therefore, A is equal to d by dt of b plus 2ct minus 4 dt cube. Derivative of b is constant, so its derivative is 0. Derivative of 2ct is 2c minus 3. Derivative of 4 dt cube is 3 into 4 dt square. This is the derivative of 4 dt cube. Therefore, we can write A is equal to 2c as it is, 3 into 4, 12 dt square. This is the expression for acceleration. Say, this is the expression for acceleration, equation number 2. But we have to determine the initial acceleration, means initial acceleration का मीनिंग है acceleration at t is equal to 0. टाइम जब 0 है तब initial, तब का acceleration means initial acceleration. 2c minus 12 d as it is into 0, because we have to determine the initial acceleration means t is equal to 0. This term becomes 0. Therefore, acceleration, initial acceleration is equal to 2c. Therefore, we can write v initial is equal to b and initial acceleration is 2c. Therefore, The answer is C. Say B and 2C. This is the initial velocity and this is the initial acceleration from this equation. Thank you.